Welcome back to the set, everybody. My name is Nate. Right over there is... Well, let me do that again.
What just happened?
My name is Nate.
What the? What?
Welcome back to the set, everybody. Today's going to be a fun one. My name is CJ.
Hey.
Right over there is Nate. Right over there is Ethan.
There he is.
And right over there is Andy?
Everybody.
Wow. More importantly, right over there is Joey.
Whoa. Hi.
Something special. We're cooking on something special. We're making something simple and delicious. It's going to be a fun one. Let's get to that bell.
That's you now.
Nope, not me.
No,
Not for the first one.
wow. So just, you're there to just take up space.
Not for the first one.
Okay. Ooh. Get ready. Now, I don't want to take away from the recipe, from the food, from the experience.
Okay.
But dare I say, we have an additional special guest right over here. We have a brand new patriotic style 28-inch griddle special edition. And it's time to season it. Oh wait, it's already seasoned. What? Oh, okay. We got blackout technology. This sucker is ready to go. Ethan, will you please get over here and just looky, I got hooky.
Nice.
This is what I'm talking about. We've got special edition knobs, Blackstone America. We've got special spatulars. Dude, this thing's gonna come up to temp and I'm just gonna wash it off with a little water and we're ready to go.
Nice. Saves us time for
Yeah.
all the activities.
All those activities. Yeah, we're at a ring it and bring it point because that's gonna come up to temp. I'm gonna spray it off and then we're gonna get to business. So if I could.
Maestro.
Oh.
Do that. Let's do it, right? He needed a better build up.
No.
What? Good lord.
There it is.
Oh no.
And he shoots. Oh my gosh! You suck.
Wow.
Everybody just grab something, let's drink and call it a sec. We'll be back when that's hot and it's ready to go.
Sorry.
All right, Joey, you're back there hanging out. Come on then. Come on then.
I would
Come
love
on.
nothing more.
Everybody,
I'm so excited.
Joey, one of two from Grills Next Door.
Yes.
I'll let you decide.
I'm the
if he's
nicer
import-
one.
Oh, I was going to say the
nicer
important.
one, for sure.
The nicer one, the important one, the less caring one.
True.
All
Did
things.
you guys match on
spot-
purpose? You a couple of twinsies.
This is the funnest night ever! This is so scary.
All right, so over here we've got this unit. She's up to temp. Just little water's gonna be everything that you need right here. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, we're there. We're there. Are we there?
I think we're there.
I think we're there.
We're there!
So today we're not focusing on like a really complicated, extravagant, over-the-top recipe. We're talking about like
Do
a
we
simple.
usually do extravagant, over-the-top recipes in your show?
Maybe. I might just be wanting a bagel with my coffee.
Oh, really?
That's good. That's good.
We're gonna be doing like the, all right, it's Thursday, you've been cooking all week, you've got leftover random veggies hanging out.
Oh, like a refrigerator raid.
A refrigerator raider.
I call it MacGyver cooking.
Oh,
That's
all right,
that's
MacGyver
my
cooking.
vote.
I dig that. So today I've got some beef. Just, I had this random leftover. We cut this up, and I think we get this sucker thrown down. You know what, before we do, let's season with a little bit of salt and pepper. Joey, do
On
me a
the
favor.
plate.
On the plate.
Okay.
Joey, tell me, what is your favorite thing to cook on your Blackstone?
I'm
Sorry,
pretty
guy.
Simple.
You're a simple man.
I'm a simple
You're
man.
simple Jack.
I am. I like tacos. I like smash burgers. I'm not obsessed with cheesesteaks.
Oh gosh. See, speaking of which,
Well,
All
obsessed
those
and
things.
enjoy them.
hey,
It's a different thing.
I think you and I both have a question that's been like lurking inside of us, like billowing,
Feel it.
like echoes in the
It's-
chamber of
it's
our
there.
soul.
What is it?
Where are you at, Greg? Sorry, there it is. Yep.
Pretty good.
I never get to do it.
You finally got to do it. Today I'm doing just a little simple salt and pepper, a little bit of graza oil, and then on we go. This is, guys, we're literally just chilling like a villain, doing a little recipe killing.
Oh, I got a feeling.
Boo! All right, I got a feeling we need more cowbell. So, hey, are we at like another? I don't know.
I don't know what's your recipe.
I'm feeling the heat, but I might be hearing that sizzle.
You know it! Did you know?
Wait, are you taking like Hulk and the Macho Man and bringing it to
I
one?
totally was.
I don't watch any wrestling at all. This is from Hot Rod.
Oh, Denise, what's up?
Yes, but what? Hey,
Did you know that Hulk Hogan, before he was a wrestler, apparently, he was actually in a band or multiple rock bands for about a decade, playing fretless bass.
I was gonna say, do you know what instrument he played?
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow.
In
Where?
Florida,
Yeah, in Florida.
Clearwater, Florida. He likes to slap at the bass, man.
Slap at the
You know, it'd be
bass.
cool is if we could slap at the bass and then we just. But that
Why
ain't
do you
gonna.
poke your bass so high?
Well,
This is
this,
how
this,
how
is-
bass
this,
man
where,
does it?
this is where the bass man plays. Oh, whoa! Are you getting some of that lower funk?
Yeah, you need the leg.
All right,
Here's
let's
a
bring it. We're
fun
gonna need
trivia.
a second, guys. This
player.
is literally.
Bass player.
I tried for a while.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guess who doesn't play bass in this group? Me.
Oh.
You keep slapping that bass.
I've raided the fridge. I've got those extra veggies, large dice cut up. We're gonna go down with a little bit more graza oil, and let's start cooking these veggies right next to our steak. This is a quick one. We're already starting to see that our steak is getting that nice Maillard reaction. We've got the sear. Now it's time to season.
This is going fast.
Really, really
This
fast.
is like a weeknight hack. I like
It
it.
absolutely is. All right, so Joey.
Yes, sir.
So if you guys don't know this, Joey and Greg, they are part of our griddle crew, and your handle is Grills Next Door.
That's right.
What got you started in creating content?
Greg started it, and then I
started it.
He did. It was his fault. But I saw how much fun he was having, and I was like, man, I want to do that too. And it's honestly the best thing. We live next door to each other. Why would we not want to? We were doing it anyway. So
I mean,
let's cook together. Let's film it.
and so when he says that they live next door to each other, they literally have two homes right next to each other. Right next to each other. They
Neighbors.
share a fence. The fence opens up. They share a backyard.
That's right.
Do you have one of those fences where it's like a bar that folds out
I
in
wanted to
between?
do it so bad.
Yeah,
That would have
definitely wanna do
been
it.
that would have been sick. So now I've got some par cooked noodles. I'm gonna go right here in the middle.
Is this a legit like 10-minute cook?
Honestly, 10 to 12 minutes. We've got this new sauce.
Oh yeah.
It's amazing.
Money in the bank. It's gonna put a wicked glaze on our steak right over here. I'm gonna add a little bit to our noodles.
wow.
Use whatever noodles you want. Gonna go over here to our veggies. Because we're now at that because we're at that done stage, this is when I like to add some sesame oil. Gonna hit this on all parts of our parts.
Whoa.
Because all the parts need a little bit of oil and a little bit
That
of
looks
love.
like a lot of sesame oil.
It really wasn't.
Oh.
It might have looked that way, but it wasn't.
I really like sesame oil.
I'm gonna do it at the end probably as well, but I love to add sesame seeds. It's a great texture and it looks really nice. It looks nice. Dude,
Nice and turkey. I love that.
I think we're done. Boys, where do we think we're done?
I don't know. It's your
Ethan?
recipe.
Sure.
Okay, we're done. Why don't you come on over here, dude? Let's plate this out.
Ooh,
Now
watch your
don't
fingers.
now don't go overboard. Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa. You're Joey, you
That's-
literally did the Joey whoa.
I
All right.
felt it was the time.
I think it was inappropriate. This is the moral of the story, folks. Let's take that on over. Here's the moral of the story. A quick cook, you know what? Because the camera eats first, let's kind of maneuver some of these things around here.
Make it purdy.
I think we can make it look a little purdy just for the camera. I'm gonna do, you know what? Why don't I do just one more drizzle? Oh, you wanna do the seeds?
Oh, I thought you were gonna forget.
Oh,
That's what help you.
I would never. I'm gonna do just another little drizzle of the sauce here because I like it extra saucy. Yeah, thank you. And let's hit it hard with some sesame seeds.
Oh yeah.
And guys, there's Thursday night in 10 minutes on your brand new patriotic Blackstone, hanging with your boys.
That's right.
With your boys. Could not be more simple than that. It's the beauty and the simplicity of a quick cook. I don't know if you're like me, but Veggies need a quick cook. I don't want them to go soggy.
Yeah. That's
So you want a
Yeah.
quick sear, right?
Yep.
Don't want mush.
Little crunch still in there.
Yeah, and with steak, you want to get a quick cook because you don't want to have overcooked steak.
Nope.
Then you could go on mini rows. You could do beef, pork, lamb. Various other things.
I feel like Roger Rabbit.
But let's go into it right here. You know what? I'm gonna do a little veggie first. Look at see that sear?
Look at you.
Wow.
That's what we're looking for.
Good looking vegetable.
I'm going straight for the meat.
Mm-hmm.
The
Do that.
shy of the beef.
Try the beef.
That's nice.
Dude, look at these noodles. Good grief. These are fancy noodles.
I don't know what it is. I'm a sucker for a good ramen.
Mm-hmm.
Like the cheaper the better. Guilty pleasure.
Wow.
I'm not saying this is cheap, CJ. It was though.
But it was. Again, another beauty of this is whatever you got in the fridge, whatever vegetables you got lying around, whatever protein you have lying around, literally don't have to do like any kind of fancy Asian noodles. These are ramen noodles. Let's just be real. Get a good sauce and you're off to the races, man.
Yeah.
Like it's that
Killer.
simple. It's also a quick one.
Yep.
If you're a dad that cooks, your mom that cooks, and you work, you got to crank it out. This is what you do. I don't know about you guys, but leave it in the comments down below. How did we do? What do you think? What do you think of Joey?
Be nice.
And what do you think about our missing man, Greg? Hey, Greg. Where you at, Greg?
Where you at?
Where you at? It's that time, though. Other than trash talking Greg. It's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
If you've never stuck around this long, or this is your first time watching the show, this is a segment where we screenshot comments from you, the viewers.
This one's my favorite part.
Oh, that's absolutely true, because if you
Cooking's
guys write
great,
it...
but- yeah, the cooking's great, but this is...
Oh, he missed it. He missed the moment. If you guys write it,
I'm not on the ball here.
if you guys write it, starting from the top in no particular order, this first one comes in from My 2 Cents.
Oh, this is great. What a good handle.
Let's see. Oh, wait. Yep. Ah.
Oh man, you went Transformers just now.
There we go. I've never seen a creamy gravy made by premixing the flour and milk.
Oh yeah.
That is genius, and I have to try it. Adding flour straight to the fat doesn't come out lumpy if you know what you're doing, but that just looks so much quicker and easier.
The slurry.
The reason I brought this up is quick hacks like that you can learn along the way. Start implementing it.
Yeah, the reason I brought this up is quick hacks like that you can learn along the way. Start implementing that into your cooking arsenal, repertoire, so to speak. Made for a really delicious gravy. So my 2 cents. It's good. That was my 2 cents. Hitting for your nuts. Yeah.
All right, this is Kevin Long, 9254.
Oh, here we go.
Kevbot is back.
The bot.
The bot
All
is back.
He says, like always, Bruce's Blackstone videos are the best. The rest are not even worth the time watching. I cut them short to save a headache.
You know who Kevin's talking about? Kevin, glad that you're back,
I'm
buddy.
glad you're consistent.
Back with a vengeance, some might say.
Yeah.
Here's to the Kevbot.
Kevin.
Back with you.
Oh, that's right. We muted that. We muted that bell. We muted your bell. That's too nice.
Can't have that.
This one is an especially fun one. This one comes in from Michael Marie Reynolds.
Hey, Michael?
Michael says, "Hey CJ, I wanted to personally thank y'all for helping me and inspiring me to get a Blackstone and start cooking.
That's so great.
Now I just started my second semester of culinary school and I'm loving it. And I got straight A's at my first semester, thank the Lord.
Let's go.
Thank you so much for all that y'all do. And please keep the great recipes coming. I need all the help I can get."
Wow, that's great. Who's that, Michael?
Yes, that was from Michael.
Michael.
I embrace the hate, but those kind of
I got there. I got there.
those kind of nice comments honestly change my day. So Michael, cheers to you, my
Keep
friend.
getting it, buddy.
And last but not least, I'm gonna let you seal the deal on this one, my friend Yoey.
Let's
It's
do
a
it.
soft J.
Denver Dave.
Denver Dave. Dude, a lot of good handles today.
I know. Hey CJ, so I noticed that you and Nate have about the same number of viewers, but you always seem to get more likes.
Well,
Is that because you are a better chef and funnier than Nate? Am I right or am I right or am I right?
Am I right? Am I right? Am I right?
And then it says, bing!
he binged himself.
Love trying the bacon sandwich today on my Blackstone.
The BLT.
Thanks for the inspiration. I post-dusted, yeah, that's a thing, with some Blackstone all-purpose and fajita seasoning. Assuming that's fajita.
Fajita.
Ring it and bring it for me because I raise a glass every time with you and the GC when you ring.
You know what?
From Dave.
We need a slow clap for my
What?
man
We
here.
don't need a.
Oh yeah.
We don't need a slow clap.
More likes, more comments, maybe the same amount of views, but still better, still growing, still rising tide, still setting the trend. There we go. Rudy, 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 Rudy. All right.
I guess.
Cheers, my dude. And that is how we wrap up an episode of CJ's First Cooking Show. So glad that you guys hung out with us. Try these weeknight hacks. They're super fast. Get you a patriotic Blackstone if you have the means. They are so choice. And if you have the means, get you a Joey. Everybody needs a Joey in their life.
I'm pretty cheap.
I'm so glad that you were here with us, man. Thank you so
Thanks
much for
for
chilling.
having
In the meantime, this is CJ's First Cooking Show where we...
Cook.
And we...
Whoa.
Cheers, my man. All day long. Also, go to griddlenation.com and be sure to watch our show that's airing on Gusto TV on Tuesdays, 7:30.